Hi friends, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another Halloween craft. Today we are doing this cute succulent DIY with things from the Dollar Tree. I'm also going to show you a couple other Dollar Tree planners that you can do for the holidays. Okay, so the first couple things you're going to need are these little Dollar Tree pumpkins. I'm using some spray paint here. It's just the Rust-Oleum metallic finish, but you could use craft paint or anything that you'd like. And then again, one of these little Dollar Tree pumpkins. They come in like a package of 4 or 6. I've had these forever for use for different craft projects. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove the little handle. You don't have to. You could paint it as well, but I wanted to leave it black. So I'm going to remove the little handle. It just kind of pops out. It's hard to get out. I was trying to make sure I didn't break the inside of it. Now, like I said, I am going to spray paint this, but again, you could paint it with craft paint or whatever. I just wanted that kind of metal-like finish. So I'm just going to take this and take it outside to my little painting area and give it a quick coat of the spray paint. Okay, so now I am using a now everybody calls them succulents now, but growing up they always called them hen chickens. My parents had a ton of them, so I actually have some growing on my porch, so that's what I am using, but you can use an artificial one, and the Dollar Tree does have them. Now, succulents don't require a lot of dirt, but I'm just filling up this little pumpkin and, you know, just getting it all full there. So have you guys ever heard them called hen chickens? Kind of the reason they do is they grow like a really big one and then they'll sprout like little babies around it. That's why it kind of looks like a little hen with her little chickens. That's why they call them that. Anyway, but yeah, so what do you guys call them? I'm just making sure that the roots get all down in there so they get a good foundation. Again, they'll grow pretty much anywhere, but just kind of helping along. I had a few little dead, dying leaves, so I'm just pruning it a little bit there. Now I'm just going to snap that little handle back on. Again, you could leave it off, but I just thought it was kind of cute, so I wanted to put it back on. There is so simple and so adorable. I love how it turned out. It's just so elegant and cute, and I just love really everything about it. Now you could paint it any kind of color. I think that a white one would look really cute. Of course, black would look cute for Halloween. All kinds of different things you can do with it, guys. Now here is another couple options for little DIY, little planters for Halloween. I just put a plant that we have by our fireplace in this like a Halloween bucket from the Dollar Tree, and it looks so cute. Here is another one that I painted a couple years ago, and I had an artificial plant, but again, you can use a real one or an artificial plant in it. I'm going to redo it this year, but yeah, just simple painted, and it looks so cute. Makes great planters. Thanks again for watching, guys. Thanks for spending time with me. Be sure to hit like and subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell notifications so YouTube will notify you when I upload all these great Halloween videos. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye, guys.